The Earth crust is made of three distinct layers of the core of the Earth, which is made mostly of iron, the mantle, which is made of the olivine mostly and other minerals like pyroxene, and the convection in this mantle creates cracks in the Earth's surface in what we call as plates of the Earth. And these cracks are where the extension is happening due to that convection, creating volcanism at the bottom of the ocean. In Iceland, this bottom of the ocean is 5 kilometers higher than the rest of the planet Earth. Practically, we can see it on the surface, and the eruptions are visible to us. Something like this happened last week. And that 5 kilometers I mentioned is the depth of the oceans. We have it in Iceland on the surface. The magma came to the surface after a shaking, which actually made the magma to flow and reach the surface as this volcanic eruption. We are seeing it here now. The direction was toward the west, threatening Blue Lagoon and the Svartsengi. Now it is flowing toward the east, where we have the higher area of the Fagradalsfjall, of course. It will not go over the Fagradalsfjall, but the general direction is that direction. Also, the wind direction has changed. So the gas pollution due to this magma eruption and the formation of the lava is toward the east. The uplift of the land for the next cycle of the eruption, which comes probably in a few weeks or months time, has already started. We see it in the GPS data. They measure the distance between the ground surface and the satellite, so we can actually see any changes due to the accumulation of the magma under this area, which is now roughly seems is going to start again to rise, although we had a fall on the other measurement in the area of the Skipatsky's Heron, lava fields of Skipats. But the general trend is toward the rising of the ground again, means the blockage of the passage is happening. But at the surface, so far, we are seeing the eruption. And this will quite, for a while, continue. Although we are seeing the formation of a crater, the northern one and the middle one are still active. We may see in future formation of lava tubes at the edge also, which will happen after overflow over the crater which is forming at the moment, and then solidifying the crust on top of it, all the inside where the lava was fluid and left will remain empty, and through that we will have a lava tube. That is going to happen after the overflow.